Imagine traveling 225 million kilometers to a frozen desert world, only to discover clues that could rewrite the story of life itself. Mars rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance aren't just robots on wheels. They're time machines, drilling into the ancient past of the Red Planet. Today we're diving into 5 fascinating discoveries from Mars rovers, and number 1 will shock you. So stay till the end, because what NASA just revealed might change the future of humanity. Let's start with something mind-blowing. Mars wasn't always a cold, dusty wasteland. Curiosity discovered rounded pebbles and layered rock formations, proving that billions of years ago, liquid water flowed across Mars like rivers on Earth. These weren't tiny streams. NASA found evidence of long-lasting lakes that could have supported life-rich environments. In short, Mars was once alive with water. Next up, organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Curiosity detected complex organic compounds preserved in ancient rocks over 3 billion years old. Now, before you think aliens, organic molecules don't automatically mean life, but they do mean Mars had the right chemical ingredients. This is like finding flour, oil, and dough, but not the bread yet. Still, it's one of the strongest hints that Mars may have once hosted microbial life. Here comes the mystery. Curiosity detected sudden spikes of methane in the Martian atmosphere. On Earth, 90% of methane comes from living organisms. But on Mars, scientists still have no idea. These methane bursts appear randomly and disappear just as fast. Some think it's geological activity. Others believe it might be signs of underground microbial life. This is one discovery NASA still can't explain. And it keeps getting stranger. When Perseverance landed in Jezero Crater, scientists believed it was once a massive lake. What the rover found confirmed their biggest hope: layered sediments formed by an ancient river delta. These formations are perfect for trapping and preserving signs of ancient life. Perseverance is now collecting samples that could someday return to Earth, potentially revealing if Mars ever had microscopic alien life billions of years ago. We are closer than ever to answering the biggest question: are we alone? And finally, the most shocking discovery. Different rovers, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance, have all confirmed that Mars had the key ingredients for life: water, organic molecules, energy sources, and even minerals like hematite and clay that form only in water. Together, these discoveries paint a powerful picture. Mars wasn't just habitable, it may have once been alive. If microbial life ever existed beyond Earth, ancient Mars is our best chance of finding it. Mars rovers aren't just machines, they're explorers rewriting our place in the universe. Which discovery surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more mind-blowing space content every week, don't forget to subscribe, because the future of humanity might just begin on Mars.